గజిబిజి గణితాన్ని గజిబిజి లేకుండా చెప్పడమే మా లక్ష్యం. దానికి మీరు చేయవలసింది మా శ్రీలత కొత్త మ్యాథ్స్ క్లబ్లో జాయిన్ కండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద మ్యాథ్స్ గేమ్. మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే భయంగా ఉందా? డోంట్ ఫియర్, ఐఎమ్ హియర్. In right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find sin A, cos A and tan A values. Okay, this is the problem. Given problem as rectangle triangle is here. This is the rectangle triangle. Which place I will take A, B, C? Which place I will take A? Which place I will take B? Which place I will take C is not given. అంటే ఎక్కడ రైట్ యాంగిల్ తీసుకోవాలనేది మనకు అక్కడ ఇవ్వడం లేదు. కానీ మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి వాటిలో ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే లెన్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. గివెన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ హ్యాస్ లెన్స్ ఈస్ దేర్ 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 17 centimeters is the length. Then AB length is 8 centimeters. AB length is 8 centimeters. And next BC length is 15 centimeters. And next CA length is 17 centimeters. Right angle triangle has always highest length is hypotenuse. రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఎక్కువ లెంత్ ఉన్నటువంటిది హైపోటెనస్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ లెంత్ ఉంది ఏంటి అంటే ఇది హైపోటెనస్. అంటే హైపోటెనస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 17 centimeters. ఓకే, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? నెక్స్ట్ this I will take A on this place I will take B. Why I will take small length is 8 centimeters. This is the length of small. That's why I will take AB on this place. AB is equal to 8 centimeters and BC is equal to 15 centimeters. BC is equal to 15 centimeters. ఇక్కడ ఈ లెంత్ మనం ఎటైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. కాకపోతే నేను ఇక్కడ ఏబి అనేది చిన్నగా లెంత్ నేను గీసినటువంటి డయాగ్రామ్లో చిన్నగా ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నా. ఇటు అటు తీసుకున్నా కూడా నష్టం ఏమీ లేదు. వై? బికాస్ నాట్ గివెన్. Which place I will take A, B, C? Which place I will take right angle? It's not given. That's why I will take any place. This is the angle B, right angle. Right angle opposite is hypotenuse. And this problem has sin A, cos A, tan A. Angle is only A is there. That's why I will see from the A angle. A angle opposite is this one, opposite. This one is the adjacent. Opposite mean perpendicular. Adjacent mean what do you mean by adjacent? Mean base. This is the hypotenuse. Next the problem is find out చేసిన values. Sin A is equal to, always are you remember this quotation, P B P H H B. పరి బ్యాగ్ లో పెన్ ఉందా? బాపు. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ద సైన్. Sin is equal to P by H. Cos is equal to B by H. Tan is equal to P by B. Okay. Then sin is equal to P by H. What do you mean by P? P mean opposite. P mean opposite. P mean opposite side. Next H mean hypotenuse. Sin. What is the opposite side? Opposite side is 15 centimeters by hypotenuse is 17 centimeters. Sin A is equal to 15 by 17. Next Find out value is cos A. Cos A is equal B by H. B means base by hypotenuse. B by H. B by H. B by H. Base means adjacent side. And H means hypotenuse. Side. That is equal, adjacent mean 8 centimeters by hypotenuse is 17 centimeters. Next, last one is the tan A. Tan is equal P by B. P by B. What do you mean by P? P mean opposite. Opposite side. And what is B? Base. Base means adjacent. Adjacent side is equal to opposite mean 15 by adjacent side is 8. This is the problem. Okay, is it clear? I will explain once again. In the right angle triangle is ABC. మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి గివెన్ ప్రాబ్లంలో ABC అనేది మనకు రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చిండు. కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి వాటిలో ఏ ఎక్కడ, బి ఎక్కడ, సి ఎక్కడ తీసుకోవాలనేది ఇవ్వలేదు. అంటే రైట్ యాంగిల్ అనేది ఏ ప్లేస్లో మనం తీసుకోవాలనేది ఇవ్వలేదు. కానీ బట్ ఆన్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం హ్యాస్ సైడ్స్ ఈస్ దేర్. 8 centimeters sides length is there. 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters, 17 centimeters. 8 centimeters is equal to AB and BC is equal to 15 centimeters and CA is equal to 17 centimeters is given. On this given length has highest length is the hypotenuse. Right angle triangle has highest length is always hypotenuse. That's mean on this length has highest length is 17 centimeters. So that 17 centimeters is equal to hypotenuse. Next, I will take this triangle. That's why AB, this length is a very small length. That's why on this problem has small length is the 8 centimeters. AB is equal to 8 centimeters. That's why I will take A on this place, B on this place, C. AB is equal to 8 centimeters. This is the adjacent. And this is the 8 centimeters. And other side is BC is equal to 15 centimeters. Next, and this problem has A angle. I will see from the A angle only. A sin A, cos A, tan A, A angle. That's why I will see from the A angle. I will see from the A angle that A angle opposite is this one. Opposite is equal to 15 centimeters. And other side is the base. Base is the adjacent. Adjacent is 8 centimeters. Always hypotenuse is hypotenuse 15 centimeters, 17 centimeters. Next, find out values is sin A. Sin A is equal to P by H. P mean perpendicular mean opposite side by hypotenuse side. H mean hypotenuse side. Opposite is equal to 15 centimeters. Hypotenuse is equal to 17 centimeters. Cos A is equal to B by H. Base by hypotenuse. Base mean adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side is 8 centimeters by hypotenuse side is 17 centimeters. Tan mean P by B. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side mean 15 centimeters. Adjacent side mean 8 centimeters. This is the problem. Okay. Are you clearly understand? అర్థమైందా?